Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amir Godri from Team Meriters, and I'll be sharing with you some motivating stories from our students who've scored really well in their exams, and we'll be finding out the secrets to success. And today we have Dr. Anamika Sharma with us. Hi, Dr. Anamika. We are
Hello, sir.
happy to have you. So, Anamika,
Thank
what I've known is that you've scored a rank 490 in this NEET MDS
Yes,
2024.
sir.
First of all, congratulations for being
Thank
under top 500. It's such an achievement, and we are very proud of you from Team Meriters with your
thank you, sir.
score and your rank. So, can you just briefly tell us about your background, the city you come from, and how did you kickstart the whole journey?
Yes, sir. So I'm from Rajasthan, and I did my BDS from Rajasthan Dental College and Hospital. It is in
Mhm,
Jaipur only. I was a day scholar, and
mhm,
I started my preparation in my internship only. After completing all the clinical postings, I was completely dedicated to my preparation. I started in June, approximately
mhm,
June 2021. And then for complete 1 year I studied and gave my first attempt, and at that time my rank was 2022 with
mhm.
the 520 score. So since then I was not satisfied with my rank, so I decided to give another attempt because I knew that I deserved better. So
Mhm.
then I took a drop.
So, you finished your internship and you started preparing for your first attempt at the end of your internship. Then you scored a 2022 rank, and then you took another attempt because you wanted to aim for what was your final aim with this whole NEET MDS?
I wanted to get into a good government college, GDC.
Of course, amazing. So, help me understand, when the first time you started your preparation, did you have like a dedicated set of hours for your preparation, or did you change the strategy? What changed from the last attempt to this attempt?
Yes. So the actually I changed my uh, way of looking at the subjects. Actually,
Mhm,
I was in my first attempt I was looking at the topics in a very concise manner, like this has been asked previously, so like that. but
mhm,
uh, but when I gave the exam, I actually came to know that in order to attempt more questions, like in my last attempt, I attempted around 210 questions, which
mhm,
was obviously not sufficient. So
mhm.
to increase your number of attempts, you have to increase your syllabus. So I completed all those subjects and all those particular topics which I had left earlier in my first attempt. Like I was not very confident with the biochemistry and microbiology, so in my second attempt I बहुत ज्यादा मैंने उन पे ध्यान दिया.
Of course. So, talking of number of questions that you attempted, 210 in the last attempt, and then now, how many questions did you attempt?
227.
27 is a good number. So, you left out like 13 odd questions. So,
Yes, 13.
what made you pick these 13 questions? Is there any reason why specific? Did you have a strategy in mind?
Yes, I left these 13 questions because I had completely no idea. I
Mhm.
mean, I was not even able to attempt exclude one of the options out of A, B, C, D. So I thought that it's better to leave such questions.
So, totally alien questions were skipped. And how
Yes.
many roughly were you sure about, and how many were smart guesses?
Uh, Smart guesses were around 20 to 25.
Which is fair. Right. So, that's a good number. Now, how did you practice all of this? Did you have any specific access to, were you using Meritor's app very efficiently? Like, were you in face to face with the app during your preparation, or was it an on and off kind of a situation?
So I used to attempt my test regularly. Like I don't think I missed only one national mock test, which was just before the exam.
Mhm.
Rest all the tests I had attempted.
So every weekend you used to take the mock exam.
Yes, every weekend.
And how did you find the difficulty level of the mock exam compared to your NEET MDS?
So I won't say that they were very easy, but
Mhm.
like for an average student, it was attemptable.
Mm.
Like
And So recently we started this whole AI recommendations with the mock exam. Were you
Yes,
following
sir.
that feature closely on the app?
Yes, sir. Yes. Just after the submitting the test, in like within seconds, they used to give us the recommendation on our mails, and
Mhm.
that was really very helpful. It used to tell precisely according to a student that in consistently कौन से subject में आप गलत कर रहे हैं.
So it would
So
give you a list of few subjects. Now, how did you take advantage of that recommendations? Were you doing all of them for a given week, or were you focusing on
the
specific?
recommendation, हाँ recommendation सर चार या तीन सब्जेक्ट का होता था, एंड उसमें ऐसे बोलते भी थे कि आप स्पेसिफिकली दो पे ही फोकस करें इस वीक के लिए. सो आई यूज्ड टू
Mhm.
फॉलो दैट, two subjects per week, and then I used to monitor whether I'm increasing my score in those subjects or not.
Right.
So it
And
was really helpful.
were you also taking mocks for your first attempt, like when you took your NEET MDS for the first 2022 rank? Did you
Yeah.
use these national mocks even then?
No, I did not. I just did PYT.
Okay, so in a nutshell, you would say that don't just focus on previous year questions. Of course, they are
Yeah.
important, but the syllabus is vast and you should focus on all aspects of the subject. And it is necessary to practice all your questions, the mock exams. It's necessary according to what you have told us. Well, now a lot of students also struggle with notes making and revision. Do you have any tip for some students who would like to know how to start making notes? It's a difficult question, I know, because it's a very
Yeah,
personalized. Even if
because
I have to answer regarding notes making, what I would say is at a given point of time, whatever question you're going through, just write them
yeah,
down.
whatever suits you. Your note should be handwritten first of all, so that you can understand what you had written even 1 year before also. So first of all, they have to be handwritten, and write them very clearly.
Mhm.
Like they should be very clearly written, and they should not be messed up. And I and clearly I did not focus much on the notes making because
No, but do you think there is a strategy that you need to taper down your preparation? What happens is when you have an ocean of syllabus, if you have 100 questions at a given point of time, and you have to, keep revising all of them, you cannot revise all 100 over again. So, did you have any of that? Did you focus on that strategy while preparing?
yes, it is not always necessary to read from top to bottom. Just focus on those points that you know that you had forgotten last time. Just
Correct.
वही specific चीजें. I personally call it the void theory, because what you know already. You don't need to revise it again. But those particular things, because it's very personalized, you know in your mind that what you are going to forget. तो बस वही पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स बार बार पढ़ो. जो नहीं आती, फिर जो आता था, जो नहीं आता था, मिलके हो जाएगा.
Did you call it the void theory?
Yes, I सर
Yeah, this
ये
is
मैंने
nice.
खुद बनाया.
We can quote you for future references if we are talking about the void theory. So, fill in the voids that you feel are whatever you are deficit in, and then it'll help you save time, which is actually
Yeah.
excellent. And then what happens after this now? What is your perspective ahead? What are you looking forward to? Are you taking
Uh, uh,
INI-CET?
yes, sir. I'm currently preparing for INI-CET.
And how's that preparation going?
Good. Yes, sir.
And then what happens after this? What faculty, what specialty are you aiming at?
I want to do MDS in prosthodontics.
Oh, that's amazing. And this has always been prosto, or has it changed over a period of time?
Um, it has always been prost.
Incredible. I can assure you that it's a good field, and I'm sure that you will get through and get the best out of it. Well, thank you so much, Anamika, for meeting with us. And we are thrilled to know that we could be a part of your journey towards NEET MDS success. And we hope that you get your dream seat, and we wish you all the best. And to all the
Thank
viewers, this was Anamika, Dr. Anamika Sharma from Rajasthan. Her journey started with the first attempt in NEET MDS, where she scored a rank of around 20 uh, in 2000s, and because she was not very satisfied in the kind of seat she wanted, she took a second attempt, used national mocks as one of the most important tools of a preparation strategy from Meriters, focused on the AI recommendations, had a good strategic approach to the exam with a number of attempts and everything that we always recommend our students to follow. And I'm very glad that this is the kind of performance you could achieve at the end of this 2024 exam. Thanks, Anamika, again.
Thank
And
you, sir.
we wish you all the best. And if there is anything ahead in future that you need from us, feel free to ask any one of us on Team Meriters.
Thank you, sir.
If you found this video useful and inspiring, make sure you give us a like. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more such content. And if you have not downloaded the Meriters app, you can find the link in the comments and the captions below. So download now and start your preparation right away.